Alright guys, that's the socket that I did a couple of days ago, and I want to, as I said in my last video, I want to put a double down there in my hallway and put some in there, but I'm going to take the feed off this socket here, but it's a single socket. So what I want to do is change that to a surface mount double socket. Right, so if I get my stuff, right, here's my so I want to change it to one of these. So you'll have this socket on the wall, and then one of these. But I didn't think about this, and I've only got one of these sockets. The rest of them are all USB, so I'm gonna have to go back to the shop and get another one of these. So there's my my twin and earth cable. So we could get this. I think I'm not gonna have enough cable, so I'm probably gonna have to go and buy some more cable anyway. It's just that the shop where I got my stuff from is all the way in Stetchford. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna have to go all the way down, and I live in Kings Norton, so it's a fair old check down to Stetchford to have to keep on going to Stetchford to get the stuff and whatever. But needs must. So to get this stuff here. But I went there yesterday because I wanted a pair of pliers, and when I went there yesterday, it was going, "Oh, the pliers that we have," he says, "we only sell like the industrial ones, right?" And he says they're about 40 or 50 quid. And I thought, I'm not spending that much on a pair of pliers, right? So he says, there's a place in Yardley called by U Tree, called Cams Electrical, right? So he says, you'll be able to pick up a, you'll be able to pick up a cheap one from there. You know what I'm saying? Because like they're like electrical wholesaler and whatever. So he's telling me where it is and whatever. And I went there yesterday, and my days, man, I'm telling you seriously, the amount of stuff they've got there, like it's a proper like electrical wholesaler, and the hardware, and a hardware store as well, and they've got so much stuff there, and I was able to pick up, if I can actually find them, I was able to actually pick up a pair of pliers, decent pair of pliers, for like for £2.99, man. So yeah, here they are. Like a decent pair of pliers, yeah, £2.99, man. You know what I'm saying? And when I went there, It's quite a big place actually. It's got 3 shops and it's the one in the middle. And excuse me. Oh, sorry, I thought I was going to sneeze. Yeah, it's quite a massive shop, and the amount of stuff that he's got in there, whatever you want, it's in there, man. You know, I was really shocked when I got there. I thought it was just going to be like a little place, and it's got all sorts of stuff in there. Proper hardware shop, man. You know, it's really, really impressive, man. The amount of stuff that he's got in there, and it's dirt cheap as well, man. You know what I'm saying? So I says, I'm gonna have to go there and have a proper look around, man, when I've got time. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, it's Cam's Electrical. So it's just by the Yew Tree pub in Yardley. So anyway, so we'll crack on with this and see how far we get. Now I've never done this before. Changed a because that one's obviously one that's bedded into the wall, and I've never changed one that's bedded into a wall to a surface mounted one before. So let's see if I'm up to the challenge, but it should be pretty straightforward. So we'll have a look and see if I can actually change it, or whether I'm gonna have to get an electrician to do it for us. But like what I said in the last video, if you're not up to it, or you're not sure what you're doing, or you know, don't even risk it, man. You know what I'm saying? Just get an electrician to actually do it for you, because as it says, it's 240 volts. You know what I'm saying? So it's not worth the risk. You know, so like if you're not sure or anything, you're not 100% confident in what you're doing, don't even risk it. Just get an electrician to actually to do it for you. So but as I says, like we'll see how we get on. Once I take it off, if I'm not sure what I'm doing, I'll just pull it back and say, fuck it. My actual electrician's guy called Andy. I'll just phone him up and get him to come and do it for us. But we'll have a look and see what the sketch is. So what I want to do is obviously take this off, and then obviously replace this with this, and then we'll have 2 sockets here, and then obviously I can then take out some trunking behind the radiator, and then put a double socket just the other side of the radiator. So I'll pause this video now, and then we'll see how we go. Okay, bye for now.